Come with me to tour my Ritz Carlton Orlando one king bed guest room with a resort view. Now, this room is super spacious at 480 square feet. You've got your Ritz Carlton mattress with lots of plush bedding. You've got a table, a chair. Obviously, Ritz Carlton has the best view, so there's not a bad view in the bunch. You also have a lot of great amenities like 24-hour room service, complimentary bottled water, a coffee and tea maker, and a mini bar. Then we're going to head into the marble bathroom where you've got a separate bathtub and shower, double vanities, a lighted makeup mirror with lots of deluxe bathroom amenities and products. Contact me to hear more about this room and hear about all the other amenities and benefits you get when you book Ritz Carlton Orlando with me.